Miles, we know that Larry loves pretzels to the point where he loves them to death, basically. If you died eating your favourite snack, what snack would it be?
That's a good question.
Oh, I know.
Share.
Well, I was thinking, I'm not really a snacker, but I even told you this the other day, milk chocolate covered almonds.
Oh, okay.
I worked in Australia once, and they were I found the best brand I'd ever had. I flew home with like 30 pounds.
Oh, mate. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
30 pounds.
It's a lot.
Jesus.
I filled my entire golf bag.
Speaking of snacks, I know you said you don't really eat salty things. And I'm sorry they're not chocolate-covered almonds, but I did get you
Brave Bison. Aww.
some
thank
pretzels.
you.
Do not choke on them, though.
So sweet. Are they really good pretzels? Are they specific brands you like?
They're M&S. M&S.
That's
Can't
right.
go wrong with M&S. So...
How do they compare to the ones on set? They're bigger than the ones on set.
Yeah, I
You
couldn't
good?
find smaller ones.
These are very
Delicious.
nice.
I
Glad
love a
you like
pretzel.
them.